Ever felt your smart home assistant was a bit bland? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and you can catch all my tech tips at CyberGuy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free CyberGuy newsletter. Amazon Alexa is listening. They've heard our pleas, and now you can customize her voice to your liking. Here's how to do it. To switch up Alexa's accent, first launch the Alexa app. Next, tap on the Devices tab and head to Echo and Alexa. Select the device whose voice you want to modify and tap on Status. Scroll to Alexa Voice and select your desired accent.
I hear there are more chickens in England than there are people.
Lastly, tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to exit. How about a fresh wake-up call? Open the Alexa app and tap on Devices and choose Echo and Alexa. Select your Echo device and tap on Status. Scroll to the wake word and pick Ziggy. Lastly, tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to exit. Now Alexa's new name is Ziggy, or whatever other option you've chosen from. What would you want Alexa to do next? Let us know what you think by visiting cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.